question. What cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, should I consider? Forbes Advisor has identified 10 of the best cryptocurrencies of February 2023. Include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, Cardano, Polkadot, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, and Uniswap. Investopedia agrees, adding Ripple. Regardless of which coins you might invest, unless you monitor the market multiple times a day, most experts recommend dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging, DCA, is an investment strategy in which an investor purchases a fixed dollar amount of a particular investment on a regular schedule, regardless of the share price. This strategy helps to reduce the risk of investing in volatile markets by spreading out the cost of the investment over time. The investor will purchase more shares when the price is low and fewer shares when the price is high, resulting in an average cost per share that is lower than the average market price. This strategy can also help to reduce the stress of investing, as the investor does not have to worry about timing the market. It's important to keep in mind that this is just a general guideline and may not be appropriate for all investors. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, so it's important to regularly review and adjust your portfolio as needed to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals.